Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to use Zoho Project for your sales training programs. First things first, log into your Zoho Project account. If you don't have one, don't worry. You can create a new account in just a few minutes. The reason we do this is to ensure you have secure access to your sales training programs. And as an added bonus, Zoho Project will keep all your projects organized and readily available. Now that you've logged in, you'll notice the dashboard offering a wide variety of features. But let's zero in on creating a new project. Click on the New Project button. This helps us because it's the first step in creating a structured environment for your sales training program. Next up, you'll want to name your project something like Sales Training 2025 and set a start and end date for your training program. Let me explain why this matters. Naming your project and setting a timeline gives you and your team a clear vision of the training timeline, ensuring everyone is on the same page. Once your project is named and dated, the next step is to add your team members. You'll see an Add Users button on the right-hand side of the screen. Click it and start typing in the names or emails of your team members. This is crucial as it allows your team to access the training materials and collaborate efficiently. The final step is all about making use of the task feature. You can create tasks related to your sales training program and assign them to your team members. This includes anything from reading materials to mock sales calls. The reason we do this is to keep everyone accountable and ensure that all tasks are completed on time. And that's it. Now you've got a fully functioning sales training program on Zoho Project. This tool will keep your training organized, your team accountable,